Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on Lincoln MKX, guys, and what we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the ambient air temperature. If you guys have an engine light on and a code related to air ambient temperature, guys, stay with us. We'll show you where the sensor is located. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every vehicle we get in the shop, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful, if you have any recommendations and all that stuff. So now let me, guys, explain what needs to be done. We have the bumper removed, all that stuff, because we're working on the front end of the vehicle, but practically you can get to the sensor without removing the bumper. Okay, all you have to do on the grille on top, guys, okay, it's the same as a Ford Edge, by the way, both of them are on the same platform. You have two bolts on top of the grille here. The whole video, guys, we have it on our channel, so check it out. But this is a quick explanation. We have the whole video how to do it on our main channel, World Mechanics, guys. Check it out. Here, okay, you're going to have two bolts that you need to remove and four clips. Once you remove them, guys, okay, you pull the grille a little bit this way and you can get your hand, okay, and we'll show you where the sensor is located. Now, without removing the bumper, I cannot stick the camera in and show you where things are. That's why we have it removed. Here you will have one clip, guys. Okay, one clip where it will attach, okay, to the support, radiator support, but ours is broken, and that's why the sensor is broken as well. And it's just staying here like that. Since ours is broken, guys, it was hitting here and the sensor is not good anymore. So how you guys replace it? Okay, you press in there and you pull the sensor out. Okay, just like that, guys. So if you guys have an engine light on or your exterior temperature does not work, it's probably due to that sensor. You always need to check your wiring harness as well. We'll guys have the part numbers and all that stuff, and where we get ours from in the description of the video below, so please check it out, guys. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate, guys, to drop a comment. Let us know what you think, and hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to you. We'll just get a new one, replace it in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.